Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you're watching this tutorial from. So I'll be doing a quick video on how you can buy Telegram stars using Tone, which is a cryptocurrency. So first, all you need to do is, let me open my Chrome. You go to fragment.com/stars. This is where you can buy your Telegram stars, or you can give them to whoever you like. So first action to do is to click on this connect Tone. That's to connect your Tone wallet. It could be your Tone Keeper, whichever wallet you are using to keep your Tone. So I'm going to click on Connect Tone. When I click on Connect Tone, I'm using Tone Keeper, so I'll select Tone Keeper, and then it takes me to my Tone Keeper, where I'm going to verify and then connect it to Telegram to Fragment. So as soon as the transaction comes up for me to connect, like the permission comes up for me to connect my Tone Keeper, I'll tap on connect. I use my fingerprint and then I connect my wallet. So it takes me to, so I'm going to use Chrome to still go back to fragment.com. So, and then you can see all you need to do here is choose recipient. You see this choose recipient column. You type your Telegram username or whoever you wish to give the stars to. So I'm going to enter my username, Kaduna Pikin. I'll tap outside. So make sure the name you are seeing is actually the name you want to gift the Telegram stars to. So I want to buy 750 Telegram stars. Or should I even make it? Let me make it 800. Let me make it 800 Telegram stars, which is 2.255. Okay, I'll just leave it at 750. I don't want to waste too much time. I'll tap outside. So I'll scroll down, buy. Then it's now asking me to confirm this. I'm buying stars for Bakoshi Isaac. So I click on this. It takes me back to my Tone Keeper for me to confirm. You can see slide to confirm. So I'm going to slide, enter my print, just to make sure I am verifying this transaction. So you can see transaction successful. Then it's recording on the blockchain. As soon as it's successful, I'll go back to my Telegram page and then I'll show you the stars in my Telegram. You can see the transaction is successful and then it's telling me 750 Telegram stars has been gifted to Bakushi Isaac. So I'll go back to my Telegram and to see the stars there. So you can see I'm back to my Telegram and then I'm going to check under this page. Let me see, where can I see my stars? Let me see. I think I just saw my stars now. Is it under settings? Okay, under settings. So I'll go to my stars and then you can see it, 750 Telegram stars that I just bought now. So if this video was helpful, please kindly hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get to see more videos. Thank you and you're welcome to my channel. See you next time.